Hi Ricardo, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. How you doing this morning? I just wanted to give you a quick video of this Acura TSX station wagon that you inquired about. It is a super nice car, pearl white paint with a nice leather interior, and I don't think it's ever been smoked in. I sat in it and looked all around for any evidence of smoke, and it definitely is very clean. Beautiful car, it drives great, and it's got a lot of room in the back here for the storage or whatever you'd like to put back here. It's a pretty rare car actually as well. Acura didn't make a whole lot of these back in the day, and when we get them on the used car market here at the store, we really like them because they go pretty quick. And so I'd like to invite you in to take a look at it. My direct line to do so and set up an appointment is 253-394-0046. Again, 253-394-0046. I'll just give you another quick look inside here. It's got a great sound system, power driver's seat, and it's really in great shape. Thanks, Ricardo. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.